see, this is what I call block pleated blouse base. Can you see? So beautiful. Look at the back. So nice. See, it's something you can make yourself. So that's the essence why I say you need to watch this tutorial to the end so that you'll be able to benefit. Good day everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. What I have today is how to make this beautiful 2 layers, I call it block pleated blouse base. Can you see how beautiful it is? It's something you can make yourself, and I promise you, if you watch this tutorial to the end, you will really benefit. All you need to do is to watch it to the end. Now you can see, and if this is your first time you watch my tutorial, I welcome you to this great channel, Husband Fashion channel, a channel where you can learn easily, a channel where you can ask questions by dropping your question in the comment section and it will be attended to, a channel where you can feel free to ask what is bothering you, and a channel where you can boost your passion for sewing and cutting. Now you can see it's a unique type. Can you see how beautiful it is? In this very tutorial, I'm going to teach you how I arrive at this. All you need to do, if you have not subscribed to my channel, is to subscribe to my channel. You click on the subscribe button, you like my videos, and you share my videos as well. And I want to appreciate you all for supporting my video by giving it a thumbs up. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. Now, this is what we shall be doing today. Thank you. So this is the fabric I shall be using in cutting the down part of this blouse. And the waist of this blouse is 29 inches. Now 29 inches multiplied by 3, that is 29 inches times 3, gives me 87 inches. So for the width of this fabric, I shall be cutting 87 inches, while the length is going to be 8 inches. As you can see, I've cut it out. Can you see? The length is 8 inches. While the width is 87 inches, plus I added 2 inches, making 89. So that is why it's on fold right now. So I shall be having, can you see? That is, I'm having the total of like 89 inches. Right now, I'm going to interface it, line it. So I'm going to place this fabric on this lining and I cut it out. And it's going to be, after cutting it out, using the lining, using the fabric to cut out the lining, then I'm going to also cut out my stay, because it's going to have a stay. So right now what I shall be doing is to mark the block pleated, or the down part of the blouse. So at this edge here, I'm going to measure 1.2 inches. As you can see, 1.2 inches. Now, having marked 1.2 inches here, I'm going to measure 2.5 inches here. 2.5 inches. I measure my 2.5 inches here. Then I measure 1.2 inches. 2.5 inches. 1.2 inches. So this is how I'm going to measure it up to the edge. So when I measure 2.5 inches, I will measure 1.2 inches. I will continue by measuring 2.5 inches again. 2.5 inches against 1.2 inches, all to the end. So by the time I'm done with that, all what I have here I'm going to transfer it to the base here. So then we continue our process. Now, as you can see, I've transferred all I have here to the base here. Can you see? I've transferred all I have here, exactly what I have here on this base here. The next thing right now is to pick, starting from this space here. I will touch not this place. I'm going to fold it. Remember, this fabric is the right side, So I'm going to place it on each other like so, making sure that this line matches with this line. Then I stitch less than 0.5. I'm going to stitch up to this place. Then I will leave it. I will leave this interval. I will go straight to the one of 2.5. So it's the ones of 2.5 that I will be folding like so and stitch little. When I stitch, I leave it. I don't touch this. I go to 2.5. So this is what I'm going to do all to the edge. I won't touch this. By the time I've completed this edge, then I come to this place. I will only use my pin to hold this place. So by the time I'm done, you will discover that the shape of this thing, this fabric is going to be like this. Then it's going to be like this. So after that, I'm going to place it, making sure I get the center point, and I will stitch. So by the time I'm through, I will show you how it's going to look like. Now, as you can see, I've stitched from edge to edge. Can you see? Up to the edge. So the next thing I shall be doing is to take one of these. I'm going to look for the midpoint, making sure one is not longer than the other, both on the left and the right side. And you see, I'm going to make sure that this is no longer than this part, making it unique. Making it equal. So right now I'm going to stitch, and that is what I shall be doing to the rest of the other ones. Now, as you can see, I've flattened it and stitch it all through from edge to edge. So the next thing is for me to iron both the edge here and the base here. So this is what I have, or this is what I got after ironing it. Can you see? So beautiful. So it's very easy to make. It's of different pattern, but this is what I call block pleated one. There are other patterns. All you need to do, if you have not subscribed to my channel before, like I said, subscribe to my channel and always put on your notification bell so that each time I release a new video, you can have access to it. Now we have finally come to the end of this tutorial. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up by clicking on the liking button, and I will appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel. You can also share my videos as well. So thanks for watching. Bye till we meet again.